Track My Delivery is a customer-facing product. This provides updates on delivery status and estimated times of delivery. You will be required to enter tracking ID or order reference to locate the delivery that you wish to track. You must then enter full delivery postcode. You will then see an update on your delivery. This shows the last status of the vehicle and an estimated arrival time. Do you want to know where your delivery has been? You can view this by clicking here. What's coming? See details of what is on its way. Once delivery is complete, you can view further details and who signed for it. If you have any questions, please get in touch to discuss more about this product. Thank you.